we are doing the construction stage video recording of the ashram intersection, which is getting having the aspect of underpass is being constructed at the third level. So we have a flyover which is already running on the ashram intersection, and the upgrade junction is being now taken up for upgradation. So you can see there right now there are barricading kept on the two approach arms. That one approach arm is actually coming from Faridabad side. Right now video which Dr. Ravinder is showing is from the India Gate side. That approach arm, that is the total length of this underpass is something around 300 meters only. So that the two approach, which is the first one is India Gate in the approach, the second one is actually the Faridabad approach. So these two will be connected at the third level in the form of underpass. But you can see here right now in this particular intersection they are kept barricading in a somewhat but only the tin sheet barricading is kept, but there is no New Jersey barrier or things like that have been kept. But only thing is it was having a 3.5 lanes plus 3.5 lanes was there, including the bus bay. Right now only 1.5 lane is operational. So that way traffic, we are taking the video on a Sunday, but during the morning hours or peak hours or weekdays, the traffic will be having lot of will be facing lot of congestions. So right now you can see there is also the traffic is somewhat lean now, but one good aspect which has been done here is on each of the approaches signals have been installed, so that it will be functioning like a roundabout with signal. So that the traffic will not get clogged during the peak hours. There's a construction zone thing, which basically traffic management plan is only starting exactly at the intersection, which is not the case. We should have given the information about the men at work and things like that as per IRCSP 55, which is not done. And you can even see the road is in pitiable condition. Road is in a pitiable condition at many locations, because once when the road is taken up for construction, you are expected to maintain it at the same level, which is not there here. And one which is actually missing here. So we are passing through the ashram intersection, which is actually, as I told you, is being converted to a rather capacity augmentation is done in the form of a underpass is getting constructed for 380 meters. So here they are kept only this kind of tin sheets barricading, but there is no New Jersey barriers are kept, wherein it is essentially required once when the underpass is being constructed. So we can see, first time we are seeing a New Jersey barrier which is just kept for a smaller length, which is an essential thing which is to be there when an underpass is taken up for construction. As I told again, I am just repeating that you can see the condition of the road which is taken up for, it was a wearing coat should have been put and to maintain it at the same level, which is not done here. So we are just passing through the construction zone, but no any other form of retroreflective sheeting or things like that have been put on the barricading also. The construction zone is somewhat poorly managed, I would say. So now we are passing through the Nizamuddin ROB. I am starting the good evening. I am doing the nighttime video recording for the direction from Faridabad to ashram direction for the construction zone, which is actually the ashram and the intersection is they are constructing a underpass connecting the Faridabad approach with the India Gate approach or the Bogal approach. So in this things in the Friends Colony junction, from that location to Ashram intersection is about 700 meters. They are supposed to have kept a construction men at work sign and diversion agar sign. So nothing of the sort is there. But you can see here the median markers are kept, maybe a slightly at a closer interval, but that is giving some sort of for the existing road already they are kept. That is okay. But main is construction zone aspect is totally missing. Giving prior information about the construction is presently on there at the Ashram intersection.
Hello.
So here again only the overhead gantry signboards are there. They are also camouflaged. You can see just when I am approaching here at 10 meters before, we are able to see this board, what it is written, where it is going, India Gate straight and things like that. And friends, this Friends Colony East right it is written, which is wrong. So here there's a construction zone aspect, the delineation is totally missing, and the road condition is in pitiable state. The underpass which is under construction, but the road which is taken up for construction should be maintained at the same level before it is taken up for construction. But we can see here the level of maintenance is rather poor on this Faridabad approach. Faridabad to India Gate approach, and whatever delineation done, nothing is visible during the night time. You are supposed to have kept a retroflectors. सीधा जाओ ना,
सीधा जाओगे।
इसके पीछे क्यों जा रहे?
इसके पीछे इधर तो जाओगे ना सीधा, इधर तो फिर उधर की साइड हो जाएगी।
Nighttime delineation is totally missing on this approach. So you can see here there is no retroflective signboards or reflective sheeting. Nothing is actually pasted here. Only the some lighting is there, which is focus based lighting. Other than that, none of the even the New Jersey barriers kept. They don't have any retroflective sheeting. So overall night time, the delineation and the retroflectivity which is expected on a construction zone is totally missing. With this I am close. Now we have approached the Nizamuddin ROB. With this I am closing this video. Thank you.